pineapple and cheese and coffee. I don't know. I mean, if it works, great, but yeah, I'm a bit worried.
You've got 4 minutes. What you got to do, you've got to roll this.
Yep.
And then what else has got to go on there?
It's just basically just plating it now. I've made everything.
Nice. That looked good. Lyndsay, we should be going now.
Yep.
Well done.
Thank you.
Knock 'em dead.
I'll leave that one for you.
Oh, well, thank you.
For your dessert, I have made for you some pineapple cannelloni stuffed with some ricotta, pineapple and vanilla soup with some coffee caviar, toasted pine nuts, raisins, mint and some flowers.
The pineapple is just so refreshing, isn't it? It's sweet. I think my favourite thing on that plate is the pineapple soup. It's, you know, gorgeously sweetened, but it still retains that freshness of pineapple.
I think it's got a lot of potential. I think she's showing off a lot of understanding of different flavours.
I think it's a really accomplished dessert and I'd pay for it.
I love that. Amazingly, it's not too sweet at all. In fact, it's very refreshing.
And that coffee, actually, with that warmth of the pineapple and the warmth of that cheese, which is slightly sugared, is just fantastic.
I'm pleased with the food that I put up. I think they know I took on a lot. It's up to them whether I took on too much and that was a mistake, or whether I took on too much and they'll forgive me being late.
With sea bass, you can go like 30 seconds over and you've ruined it.
Love the way he's actually infusing the soy with some ginger and lemongrass, just make it a bit more interesting as well.
How long do I have left?
You've got 60 seconds left. You're all right. Keep pushing on. What are you doing with that?
Some of these were like crispy. Give it a bit of colour.
Time is now up.
Hello.
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 Oh, look, 3 plates.
Look at you.
See, his past experience is a waiter helps.
Thank you.
What we have today is a pan-fried sea bass with a tempura squid tentacles. Underneath that, there's some pak choy. There's some pea, coriander, lime puree on the side. Some purple sprouting broccoli. And on the side there is a ginger and lemongrass soy dressing as well. Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Sea bass cooked perfectly. The tempura was very, very nice, very, very crispy. The purple sprouting broccoli, slightly charred, so it had a bit of smokiness. The puree was lovely. The dressing just brought everything together. That's a really, really clean plate of food.
He's done good. Boy's done good.
Refreshing. Bags and bags of flavour, bags and bags of colour, and bags of texture.